From complete pipework projects to air compressor maintenance, Direct Air delivers a safe and complete solution to all your compressed air requirements. As the UK's leading authorized distributor of compressed air systems, we supply and install the highest quality air compressors, both oil lubricated and oil-free, from top global brands. Direct Air packages are specially tailored to you, providing the most energy efficient and cost-effective solution to suit your company's specific needs. Alongside providing compressed air products, we also offer full servicing, maintenance, and energy reduction solutions. Our bespoke approach has allowed us to transform several companies, including Accord Healthcare. Faced with rundown, inefficient compressed air equipment during the relaunch of their Newcastle site, we partnered with Accord Healthcare to install two U75 Ultima compressors. This energy-saving technology was paired with a closed cooling water system and air blast cooler, all reducing their overall costs. The new energy system meant their energy savings reached £58,000 in the first year. To see our capabilities in action and learn more about how Direct Air services could transform your organization's compressed air system, you can visit our website at www.directair.co.uk or get in touch with us today.